Hey everyone, check out the coowoz travel backpack designed for both women and men with a durable waterproof polyester build that keeps your gear safe and fresh. It features two padded shoulder straps for comfort and breathability during long carries, plus it won't fade or wear out easily. This versatile backpack includes two main pockets, two laptop compartments fitting up to a 15.6-inch laptop, and plenty of smaller pockets for organized storage. It also has a separate shoe compartment and a high-density water-resistant wet bag to keep dry and wet items apart. Whether you need a backpack, gym bag, shoulder bag, or travel bag, this hybrid design adapts perfectly. With a spacious 25-liter capacity and lightweight 1.7-pound weight, it's ideal for short trips or daily use. The sleek olive green color adds a stylish touch for any adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.